what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about extensions, specifically hidden crown extensions. These have literally been the best extensions ever. You guys know, if you follow me for a long time, my hair used to be really short and I'm kind of on the journey of long hair, and these extensions are absolutely amazing. So I always loved the idea of extensions, but you guys know I have 3 kids. I'm super busy. I don't have time to be like clipping in a million things of extensions, and I want something that's super easy, that blends really easily, and I don't have to worry about it like moving throughout the day. I had tried clip-in extensions before and I felt like they would just always like slip, or I felt like I was damaging my hair. These are not gonna damage your hair. They're super, super easy. Like I can literally put these extensions in like 2 minutes. It's so easy, and I just have to put this out there. This is not sponsored. I just really love these, and I've gotten so many questions about them, so let's jump in. Like I said in the beginning, the brand is called Hidden Crown. I'll have them linked below and stuff, but I am obsessed with them. I found them through Mallory Irvin. I had no idea that she had worn extensions every single day until she showed us. So these extensions that I have in right now are called the Daydream set. And these are the easiest extensions to wear, and I love wearing these ones as like my day-to-day. If I'm gonna wear extensions, these are the ones I wear because I'll take it out in a minute, but like my natural hair stops about like right here-ish. So it's not super long to where people notice that I'm wearing extensions. Like it just looks like my hair, and it's a little bit lighter too. So I feel like if you are newer to extensions, or you just want something for every day that's going to give you a lot of volume and give you some length without being like super heavy or super long, Daydream is a set to go with. So this is the other set that I have. This is the 16-inch, and I really kind of underestimated how long these make your hair. Whenever you look at it, you're like, that doesn't look very long. But the extension sits like back here at the bottom of your head, like right underneath your occipital bone, I believe, like that bump in the back of your head. So that's where it sits, and this gives you so much length. So like if I'm going to an event or if I'm doing like pictures and stuff, these are the ones I wear. And I have washed these like numerous times and I've never had any problems with them. I actually will wash them and then I put them back on this clip and blow dry them. But I will show you guys. So this is what your extension looks like when you get it. So there's like the band in the back. It's like super thick, and then it's literally like fishing wire up here. So you don't even see it whenever you have it in your hair. Like no one can even tell you have this on, and you fit this to your head. So these wires are a little bit longer when you first get it, and you just kind of move it around to where it feels really comfortable, and then you just pinch this little clasp right here and it's fitted to your head. And these also feel better the longer you wear them because it kind of molds to your head. So like the first few hours, you'll kind of feel them. They're not uncomfortable at all, but you just like, you feel like you have extensions on your head, but then it just kind of molds to your own head and you literally cannot feel them at all. But like I said, this one is a 16-inch and this one is the one I wear for like special occasions. So I've also gotten some questions about coloring. I wear the color 1 because I do have black hair, but they do have tons of different color options. And if you are kind of like in between colors, or you're scared to pick a color because they are kind of an investment, you can email them like a picture of your hair and they will kind of give you a color that they think is going to match you the best. And if that doesn't work out, I know that they have like a system where you can like return it, or I think maybe they'll send you like a swatch of colors. I don't know, but I know they have something where they can help you find the color for your hair. So now we're going to get to the part where I'm going to show you guys how to put these extensions in and how easy it is to take them out, because like I said, I had tried clip-ins before. It took me forever. I do have thick hair naturally, so like for me to maneuver around with clip-ins, it's too much work, man. Like I was like sweating by the end. I'm not about that life. So like I said, it is just like on a fishing wire, and I can take it out so easily. But I do want to say I have like played with my kids in these and everything, and it does not slip. But look at that. Like I said, I've pretty much done everything in those extensions besides like working out, because I don't think that's necessary. But if you want to wear them to work out, you do you. But it doesn't like slip around, it doesn't move around. Like I said, it kind of just fits to your head. And this is what the Daydream set looks like. It's a little bit less hair, so it's not quite as thick. It's still really thick. You can tell it gives you a lot of thickness and volume whenever you have it in, but it's just a little bit lighter weight and it's not super, super long. So now for the fun part, I'm going to show you all how quick and easy these extensions are to put in. It's literally so easy. So whenever you get your extensions, they're going to come on that white little clip that I showed y'all. And you're also going to get extra wire and extra clips in case you need to like refit it, or if your little wire breaks. You're also going to get this comb, which is so helpful whenever putting these extensions in. And you're also going to get this little clip. Okay, so this is the way I do it. Hidden Crown does have their own YouTube channel, and you can watch all of their videos. That's what I watched whenever I fitted my own Hidden Crown extensions, and they have different ones showing you guys how to like put your extensions on and fit them and all of that stuff. So it's super helpful, but I'm just going to show you guys the way I do it. I start maybe like 2 inches back. You don't want to go super far back because you want the extensions to be closer to your head. And I'm just kind of going down, and then once I get to about the top of my ears, then I'll just bring all of this hair together. So kind of like if you were going to do like a half updo, and then you're going to leave these pieces in the front. It should look a little bit like this. I'm just going to take my little clip this out of the way. I've seen some people, like whenever I watched Mallory Irvin do hers, she just like slips it on her head and runs her fingers through, but I just feel like this is the easiest way for me to do it. So I'm going to keep my little comb handy, and I'm going to take my extensions, just kind of slip it over my little bun in the back. And then, like I said, whenever you fit it, you want it to hit kind of right below your occipital bone back here. And that's going to mean it's like the most comfortable, the most secure in that position. So it just sits just like that. And I'll let my hair down over it. And then you can use like your fingers to kind of move it around. And then I just take the pointy part of this comb, and you'll feel like where your wire is for your extensions. And I just run right along the top of it, because you don't want to have like any humps where your hair is like caught underneath weird or anything like that. Go all the way around. And then I just kind of like run my fingers over the top just to make sure that everything is smooth. Another question I've got about these extensions is if you can like move your part around. Yes, you can totally move your part around and no one will know the difference. Like you can't even see this band as long as you like part your hair around it. Like I said earlier, to where nothing's like tucked in, you literally can't even see it. Was that not the easiest extension process ever? And that's literally it. Like this was the easiest, fastest video for me to sit down and film, but I hope I answered some of y'all's questions. I know I get a lot of them on Instagram whenever I wear these extensions. So if I didn't answer your question and you have one, just leave it down in the comments. I will try to answer it as best I can. Like I said, I'm not like affiliated or sponsored by Hidden Crown. I just really love these extensions, and I wanted to sit down and show you guys a little bit more about them, try and answer some questions that I get all the time, because I know that I talk about them, but it's a lot better to sit down and like show you everything about them, especially because they are kind of a pricey investment whenever you're going into extensions. But I would really suggest these if you are in the market for some extensions. I feel like they're just the easiest, most flawless extensions that I have tried. So I hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next one.